Yo, what's going on? It's Stupid in here. Guess what I'm gonna do today, mother? 4 bottles of Mountain Dew, bitch. Like, man, I feel like shit today. 4 Mountain Dews are the best sodas I ever fucking had. So now time for a chug, motherfuckers. Now let's open this. Mountain Dew's my favorite soda I ever freaking had. Put up into the bitch. Man, that is so delicious. Holy shit. Fuck good. Those are the rebrand and some shit because the old one is going to be gone now. What the fuck? Oh shit. That was pretty fucking rough. Holy shit. Man. They're fucking warm already. What the man, it's gonna fucking hurt. Holy shit. Copper, what the hell are you doing? Damn it. It was raining already today. All freaking ready. And because if all the wet goes on my phone, it's gonna get broken. Because if phones get wet, they get broken. If they all get wet, they will stop working. Phones are wet, they stop working. I used to have an iPad and it got in water and it stopped working when I was little. Made me sad. Like a fucking retard. Excuse my French. Yeah. Shit. Copper, don't make me hurt you like I did last time. Man, that's too bubbly. Ow, my stomach. Oops. Son of a bitch. Hurting. Like a cocksucker. And man, I'll start finishing this and stop being a pussy. And a bitch. Holy hell, man. Oh shit. Oh. My stomach. It's hurting. Shit my pants. Ow. My stomach. Ooh. Ooh. Man, I don't want to throw up today. Because there's a delivery man at my neighbor's. Because if he hears it, he's going to start seeing what's wrong with me. I don't want that shit to happen. Worse than getting stomach cramps. Oh my god, he can hear me! I'll throw my Mountain Dew at him. And this is a try not to puke video. I'm always doing a try not to do a puke video. Oh, I feel that coming. Oh my god, it's trying not to come out of my asshole. My butthole. And what the f is that? Stop moving. I'm gonna kill that motherfucker. It's probably a caterpillar's head. Poisonous ones. Man, I'm having a bad stomach ache today. Ah! Ah! Son of a bitch! Ooh. I gotta take a crap. I got a crap. That was a fart. Did not shit myself. Oh, in the name of Jesus. Hurts. Come on, in the name of Jesus. Who's a bitch?